Silly alphabet sentences from A to Z. A. An ant ate an apple in the afternoon. B. The brown bear baked blueberry biscuits for his baby brothers. C. A courageous cow carried carrots in a crooked crate. D. The duck dreamed about a dog digging up a dirty dime. E. The elves were excited to see enormous eagle eggs. F. A funny fox found a fish for his feline friend. G. The giraffe glided under the gray cloud gently and gracefully. H. The handsome horse wears a hat and hearts in his healthy hair. I. The intelligent iguana grew another inch and began to irritably itch. J. The jellyfish jumped for joy as they jiggled and jolted back home. K. The kangaroo flew his kite and kindly ate his kiwi. L. Lester the lion was lucky to lick his lollipop instead of a lemon. M. Magical monkeys make music and rides the Milky Way towards the moon. N. A nervous newt was eating noodles and never noticed his nose in the way. O. Mr. Owl rolled an orange and an onion onto his oasis. P. Plain popcorn popped out of the pretty pig's purple pants. Q. A queen cricket quickly placed a quilt over her head to keep herself quiet. R. The red rooster ate raisins while resting and relaxing. S. The sheep wore sneakers and sunglasses while singing on a sailboat. T. The tiger bit into a tart tangerine and broke his 2 top teeth. U. Uncle Yuri hid his ukulele under a used umbrella. V. The valet took the van with visitors to Vegas to deliver a variety of veggies. W. The wolf wore a worthless wig when he went whale watching. X. The fox hopped off the box and danced when Xavier played the X xylophone an extra hour. Y. Johan wears a yellow sweater while he yo-yos and yodels on a yacht doing yoga. Z. The zany zebra zoomed back to the zoo to eat zesty zucchini. Let's say our alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.